Okay, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but we're going to start it off again just with a small little project. Going to be working on the SuperDuke. Currently we've got a bit of an issue with the horn, so when we start it up, I'll show you what happens. So if I try to use the horn, that's it down there, push that, no horn, and I get a general failure warning. Now, going to see if I can diagnose that, see if it is the actual horn itself or if I've got to go through the fuse box or anything like that and find out exactly what's going on with that. So you can see this is where the horn is, under here. So first thing we'll do is to see if there's any electricity getting down there. Take the horn off, put it across the 12-volt source and see if it's going to actually fire up and if it works. If it does work, then we've got a problem because there's something with the wiring. If it doesn't work, then it should be pretty easy. It should just be a horn replacement. Let's get to it. Okay, looks like it was actually a pretty simple issue. So I'm going to remove the horn. This is the horn. And then I ran a multimeter across the contacts down there. When I pushed the horn button, it was definitely getting the full 12.7 volts that you would expect to see. I then put a 12 volt source across this. It made no noise. I've also checked it with the multimeter to see what the resistance was. It is effectively an open loop, which means no electricity can pass through the horn, which means effectively the horn ain't going to work. So best solution now is go get another horn. Now, got a few options when it comes to horns. I could get another OEM KTM part, or I could do something a bit more interesting and maybe go down to my local auto parts store and get something that's better for, let's say, a car, which is going to be a lot louder than the standard KTM motorcycle horn. So I'm thinking I might do that because I dare say KTM genuine parts probably a bit on the pricey side. So hopefully the next thing you see is me coming back with a new horn. Okay, I'm back. Here's my new horn. The old one, it's definitely a little bit bigger. I expect this one to make a little bit more noise. Let's go try that out. Okay, this thing's loosely installed now. I'll probably drill a hole up there just to move it up a bit because those wires are a little bit on the tight side. But let's see if this thing works now, or if we've got a bigger problem. Okay, it's loud, give it that much, but it's not holding continuous, it's making a pulsing thing. See what happens if I start it up. And I still have some sort of failure coming up. Okay, you can see that one of the contacts there wasn't too brilliant, so I'll sort that out, see if that sorts out what's going on with that horn. Okay, so that's the horn done. Now I can give a cager a blast on the horn if they happen to cut me off, as well as giving them a one finger salute like usual. So that's the end of it for today's video. Please like and subscribe. Try to keep this channel back up and running. And yeah, see you in the next video.